I will take an ASA. This is a real ASA. Okay, now this real ASA is connected with. Don't. I am not going to give for trusted network. I'm not going to start an SSL connection for a trusted network. I'm not going to do it for the private network. Sorry, public network. So my laptop is this one. Correct. My laptop is acting as an ISP. So I'll connect my laptop here. Local area. Okay. Now I will connect the ASA with. I cannot connect directly with this. Real time you can able to connect. Here you cannot. Right. So the ASA is connected with now an ISP. Okay, now ISP is my laptop now. So I'll use admin PC in order to put for the config. Any configuration, I'll use the admin PC. This is a do one thing now. I'll come there. நல்லா இருக்கு ஜிகி ஜிகி சைலண்ட்
பாஸ்வேர்ட் மறந்துட்டீங்கன்னா சொல்லுங்க உங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம்
அது யூசர் நேம் என்னது மனோஜா So initial configuration, suppose Cisco is doing now. Okay, here a person from Cisco or anyone is configuring initially an ASA. Admin also is not in India, he is from some other place. Config. Okay, I'll create an interface first. Interface G0 is for outside network. Name is outside, and I'll give the IP address and T.3. Okay, the another interface is connected to the ASA is outside interface. Okay, now which I have described it as an name of outside means I am giving a security level of 0. Okay, I'll generate an even though the other interface is not connected with the trusted network, that means internal network, I'll just give an IP address. First I'll give a name as inside, and I'll give the IP address something like 10 that one. Then now I need to create a username and password. Before that, I will make an HTTP server enable. HTTP server enable. Okay.
HTTP secure
HTTP server is enabled. Then I am telling a person with this IP address will be allowed to do any configuration from outside because he is the admin person who is having the IP of 20.1.1.3. He can able to do any configurations with the ASL.
For that, we don't need to policy map, class map, all those things.
As of now, we will create the ASDM. Okay, I have given. So I'll use username as Raghav and the password is Raghav with the privilege level of 15. Then after that I need to download ASDM. Okay, I'll download it from the admin PC. Copy TFTP to my flash memory. The admin's PC is 20.1.1.3. The file which I need is ASDM 647.bin. Same file name should be saved in flash also. I have given this also 20.1.3. G0.
Himself, right?
You can able to reach ASP. You can able to reach ASA also. Pin 20. Yeah. 20.1.1 is admin PC. I have mistakenly copied from flash as 20.1.1.3. 20.1.1.1 is admin PC. He is having this file. I downloaded from the admin PC TFTP server. My system is acting as like an ISP, not like exactly ISP, a mediator like that. 29, 30 minutes. So these things we already did so far. New thing is we need to enable Cisco SSL VPN. Hello. மச்சி மச்சி அப்படியே ஒரு பென்ட்ரைவ் மட்டும் எடுத்து கொடுங்க. Okay, it's copied. We'll write it. And one more thing we need to copy is a package file which is used for AnyConnect. I'll tell you what is AnyConnect. Scan பண்ணாம scan பண்ணாம okay, I'll copy a package also in my flash. Copy TFTP to flash. Name is AnyConnect. AnyConnect. Is bin
2.1
2.1.0.148 means
K9.pkg.
the pkg, correct na? K9 K9 correct na?
Pivot dot underscore
K9 1 also is there.
What is this one?
What is the three
Well,
dot?
upper one is something two are there.
Even down 3 dot
0
0
dot
dot
5080
5080
dash K9.
1.
Yeah. And then that one no dash. No dash.
Under the slash.
Slash. Okay.
3 dot 5080
Activate preset is there.
start and restart. Start and restart.
Stop and restart. Slash 3 dot 0 dot 5080
0 dot 5080
slash
minus
dash K9 bracket 1 K9 bracket dot pkg.
dot pkg.
Copy to that. You have the file right. Copy the file. Reading.
Same name only, right?
K9 space dot
K9 space data.
space. Yeah.
PKG Kannada symbol.
This is happening. Why any connect is not happening? I think this is not supported.
I think in your tier setup we didn't
I think
share
my
it.
ASA is not supported for this. I think you can try.
That is the beta 16.
ASA is not supporting a particular file. So PDF equal to flash, connect,
dash wing
dash wing,
dash 2.1
2.1
041
0148
dash K9
dash K9
dot PKG.
PKG. ಅದು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ not how much 170 MB. So we did it and we'll write it. Okay. From the admin PC, the admin is accessing ASA from through the internet. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll go to Google Chrome, https 20.1.1.3.
HTTPS is not configured.
I have given a 20.1.1.1 can access it. Got it. Install ASDN. Username is Raghav and the password is also Raghav. Password is also nothing is in the system now. Every calculation is happening. So what admin is doing now, he is going to create an VPN wizard for SSL. Okay, how this process happens we know already. How it is saying hello, everything it knows. First we'll go to VPN wizard and we'll click first client plus SSL. Okay, client plus SSL VPN wizard. Give next. It's easy procedure only. Every profile we create, we need to create a name for the profile. I will create a name as Manoj. Okay, for which interface, outside or inside interface? For the outside interface. I am going to give the SSL connection for the users in the outside interface. Which is my outside interface in the ASA? G0 only is the outside interface which is connected to the internet. So I don't have any certificate. If you have certificate, you can give it here. So if anyone is accessing this connection, what he needs to type? Okay. So the profile he needs to type, right? So the profile also Manoj. MANOJ if you type, it will automatically come here. So whenever you want to access this, whenever you want to make an VPN connection, you have to type https 20.1.1.3/Manoj. Okay, give next. And use an local database. We'll use like a local database. The username password I'll create Manoj and Manoj. Add it to the list. Click next. You need to create a group policy. For that group policy, you need to give a name. For that also I am giving Manoj. You next. So here only, what and all it needs to come. What and all files have to be displayed who are accessing the SSL. Suppose it's an for an example, I am having an MP3 website. So I'll create a bookmark for that MP3 website. I'll give manage. Click add. So the name of the is MP3. Okay. The name of that one is MP3. Hmm. Then add it. Add. So what are you need to add? Suppose I am going to add MP3. URL is anything, any URL. You can put it with the YouTube. You can do anything here. So I am putting the some IP address. Whenever this MP3 is clicking, it needs to go to this particular server. This is a server actually. Internet 1.1 is a server. Whenever it clicks MP3, it automatically go to the server. If you have an URL name, you can give. Okay. Anything when you make a VPN connection, it should at least have a domain name. Okay. Give okay. Then give okay. Okay. Next. Finish. As an admin, we configure the ASA. We configure the ASA from the internet. Okay. Now we'll minimize this. Now as an user, he needs to go to server, which is this 10.1.1 through ASA. Okay. He will open up his web browser and he is trying to type a particular address. So https colon, this is the address I have mentioned there, and I will give knowledge. It's asking login, right? How it is asking login? It went to the internet and it is asking the ASA there. Okay, now username is Manoj. I told it is to ask from the local database Manoj and Manoj. This is the password. Log on. Can you able to see MP3? So when you click MP3, it will automatically go to the server. There is no server available, so it is showing server unavailable. Okay, you can create a certificate also. See the connection, certificate information. See root certificate is not trusted. Enable the trust. Install the certificate not trusted root certification. Authority store details. Whatever is using SKH1 RSA. Did any of these things? When this AIS Cisco is going it right now. I need to implement the certificate also. Okay, then this is an SSL VPN. You can able to use it. Next thing is AnyConnect VPN. AnyConnect VPN, you see now. Go to Wizard, VPN Wizard, AnyConnect VPN Wizard. Click next. Give the profile name for this. You want to name this ASA to access the VPN connections from AnyConnect VPN client software. This way I am going to use the client software. Okay. The connections will be protected using either the IPsec or the SSL protocol. The ASA will automatically upload the AnyConnect VPN client to the end user's device when a VPN connection is established. Whenever VPN connection is established, it will automatically give the software for that client. Give next. I am going to give the profile name. Name it as Raghav Manoj Ranjit and click next. This is in outside, okay. VPN access interface is outside. I am going to do it for public interface. Give next. I am just enabling the IPsec as of now, because if I am enabling SSL as of now, if I am enabling IPsec, I need to give the certificate. So I'm just enabling the SSL, give next. Okay, here only whatever whenever they open, the software have to be downloaded for them. It's the client software. So already I have installed I have put the package inside in ASL, correct? So I'll add it from the flash, browse the flash. I have already an AnyConnect software. Click OK. Okay. Okay. Next. Next one is authentication. I am going to do the authentication from local database only. I'll give the username as Ranjit and password as Ranjit. Add it to this side. Click next. And here I need to create an address pool. Why? Whenever an SSL connection made with any connect, it will automatically make a tunnel in which it automatically give the IP address for those tunnels. Okay, so I need to create a pool, give new, name it as pool only, anything you want you can keep. I'll give 10.1.1.1 to ending address is 10.1.1.254. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Click OK. Overlaps 40.240.254. Give OK and give next. I need to give the DNS server's name. Okay, DNS server is his laptop only. I'm naming 20 and the domain name raghav.com is the domain name. Any domain name if you want, like whenever you need to make an VPN connection or any other connections, it should be an FQDN. FQDN means fully qualified domain name. Okay, give next. Exempt the VPN traffic. That means I am exempting the VPN traffic from NAT. I don't want to do NAT for these connections. Whenever I make a VPN, I don't want to do NAT. Directly it can able to connect. Give next, next, finish. Okay, ready? Now I do the same. He is acting as a client right now. I'll close this. He is also from the internet. HTTPS 20 3 slash and do just 20 3.
What is going on here?
I log out this previous session. Okay, and newly start the session. It was in the previous session already. So now see the group name have came. Okay, now I'll start the Ranjit group. The username is Ranjit and the password is Ranjit. Log on. So you can able to download here. Okay. So this laptop is not supported. Once you're done with AnyConnect, this is supporting for Vista 60. This is the oldest version. I was trying to implement the new version. This age is not accepting. Once you install the AnyConnect, you can able to connect with the VPN client or a VPN server. Okay, now this is called AnyConnect VPN and SSL VPN. Let's check now. Practice it once. For